Focus. To all who did receive him, who believed in his name, he gave the right to become children of God. We are blessed because we know God. We can even put a face to the name Jesus. Our unique relationship with Jesus is rooted in the belief that he shares our DNA, a historical truth rather than a fond myth. This sets us apart from all creation, and because we believe, Jesus gives us the right to become God's children. What a privilege. But there is another path, that of opposition, represented by the Antichrist, who usurps Christ. The Antichrist may emerge from within us, symbolizing separation from God. Although it might seem relevant only to the past, it is essential to apply every word of God to our lives today. Does Jesus come first for us? Are our choices aligned with his teachings? God loved humanity profoundly, becoming one of us and making us his children. Every experience we have stems from Jesus, who fully embraced our human condition of loneliness, pain, and fragility. Today offers us a moment to reflect on the past and look forward with hope. The best way to embrace the new year is by making him, who loves us deeply, an integral part of our journey. Fruit. Given another chance to live a grace-filled life, what would I change in 2025? Let me act like a true child of God and become a blessing to everyone I encounter.